Located in the exclusive Huntleys Cove Resort Complex, this newly refreshed 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment offers quality, privacy, security and spectacular water and bushland views from every room. Huntleys Cove is an established community of quality built homes set amongst beautiful landscape grounds adjoining Tarban Creek Waterfront Reserve with 5-star leisure facilities including a lap pool, spa, tennis courts, gym and community rooms. The sun-drenched living dining area flows to a wide east-facing covered entertaining area with spectacular views. It's a perfect place to entertain family and friends or just enjoy the view. The well-maintained original gas kitchen has granite bench tops and stainless steel appliances and dishwasher. The apartment has ducted air conditioning for year-long comfort. The 2 double bedrooms are located on each side of the living area, creating 2 separate suites. The master bedroom also has a walk-in robe and huge ensuite with bath and separate shower. This peaceful parkland resort offers country quiet and city convenience. Just moments to bus stops, a short stroll to the ferry, close to Gladesville shops and an array of cafes and eateries, and just a short drive to Top Ride Shopping Centre. An ideal downsizer or perfect rental or lifestyle choice. It's a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the view, entertain family and friends, or just unwind after a day at work and enjoy the view. For further information, please contact Roger Mickhail Property.